Take the beach. Nice and easy.
All right, hold what you got.
Release the mini drones.
Vipers, Eagle in sight, cleared hot.
Got a heat seek. Second stack, closest to the bow.
Predator 01, captured target area.
Set charges.
Gunfighter 01, Eagle's moving, internal, clear.
On the left.
On that dual point,
Frogman A3, Frogman A3. Sight on rooftop. 3 sight on rooftop.
Echo platoon on standby.
Let that helo know we're moving external.
I got it.
Bravo, take starboard. Shift right, shift right.
Cracking steel!
No!
Him! Fire!
Missiles out, danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Oh! Hold fire! I cannot see, I've been injured! Medical Officer Ratchet! I'm a friend! I'm an Autobot!
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? No! Please!
Check fire.
He's mine now.
Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here.